Students, good morning to everyone. Today I am taking your history class chapter 2. Chapter 2, Industrial Revolution. Revolution means change. Revolution means any change in the society, culture, polity, in every aspect. Industrial revolution means revolution in industry or factory. In earlier classes, I am discussing with you what is industrial revolution, what is domestic system, what is domestic system. Next, what is factory system. Next, what is industrial revolution. Industrial revolution, what are the features of industrial revolution? Small scale industry convert to large scale industry, domestic product, domestic system change into factory system, manual labor change by machine, manual labor change by machine, small scale industry change into large scale industry. This is the features of industrial revolution. Where industrial revolution was happened? Industrial revolution was happened in England. Why industrial revolution happened in England? Reason for happening industrial revolution in England. One number, surplus capital. Number 2, stable government. Number 2, stable government. Number 3, agricultural revolution. Number 4, cheap labor. Number 5, availability of coal and iron. Number 1, surplus capital. Economic growth and overseas trade. Economic growth and overseas trade led to the invention, led to create a surplus capital. So, surplus capital in England is one of the reason for industrial revolution. Surplus capital is used in the development of industry and factory. surplus capital. Surplus means extra. Surplus means extra. Extra capital. Extra capital is used by the industry, led to the economic growth and overseas trade, which was one of the reason for the industrial revolution, which were present in England. So industrial revolution was happened in England. Number 2, stable government. England was politically stable in that time. So many people, they migrate from different countries to England because England was politically stable and the government stability was one of the reason for the industrial revolution happening in England, which was happened in England. Next one, agricultural revolution. Agricultural revolution, there was an agricultural revolution which preceded the industrial revolution. Improvement of agricultural land led to the and such rotation of crops, introduction of new farming, new technique, machinery, which was available in England. Next point, agricultural revolution. 1 number, new machines, new farming technique, agricultural, new implementation of agricultural tools, which was present in England. So, which increased agricultural production. Next, I am giving you availability of cheap labor. Cheap labor. Labor is one of the factor for set up new factories or industry. So, availability of cheap labor. Cheap labor, the landless farmer migrated means moved from one place to another in search of job, in search of better employment facilities. Some landless farmer, they move from their country to England. Some landless farmers, they move from their own country to England in search of jobs, better facilities, better equipment. They move from one place to another in search of job. This is one of the reason for the happening of industrial revolution in England. So, first point, surplus capital. Again I am repeating for your understanding, better understanding. First one, surplus capital. Surplus means extra. Extra capital. Capital means price. Surplus capital led to the revolution in England. Economic growth and the overseas trade led to the surplus capital in England. That's why Industrial revolution was happened in England. Number 2, stable government. England was politically stable that time. This is another reason. Number 3, agricultural revolution. Revolution which was happened in agriculture. Some landless farmers, they migrate from their own country to England in search of job facilities. This is one of the reason, and this led to the increase of agricultural revolution. That's why industrial revolution was happened in England. Number 4, availability of cheap labor. Labor is one of the factor for any industry. So cheap labor which is available in England. That's why industrial revolution was happened in England. Number 5, availability of coal and iron. Coal and iron was the main resources. Coal and iron was the main resources for setting up an industry. Coal and iron was main resources for setting up an industry. So, which was available in abundance in England. That's why industrial revolution was happened in England. Again I am telling, coal and iron is the natural resources which was the main factor for setting up an industry, and which was available in England, coal and iron. That's why industrial revolution was happened in England. Next point, major invention. So many invention in that time. Political and social stability in England created a condition that were conducive creativity. Lancashire became the center of the cotton industry. Lancashire. Just like Ahmedabad, in our country, Ahmedabad is famous for cotton textile industry, you know, and in England, Lancashire became the center of cotton industry. Next, spinning jenny. Spinning jenny, Hargreaves spinning jenny. Hargreaves invented spinning jenny. John Kay invented flying shuttle. Cartwright invented power loom. Arkwright invented water frame, and Ely Whitney's cotton gin. This improved the textile industry in England. So many invention was happened in England, and the inventor name was in your book, given in your book. So many invention which led to the major invention led to the industrial revolution in England. Political and social stability in England is, and major invention is one of the factor for industrial revolution. So many name is given here. Newcomen's pump, James Watt steam engine, Davy's safety lamp. Safety lamp helped extract coal and iron coal mines and increase the production of coal and iron. There was a need for better transport facilities. George Stephenson's steam locomotive, John Macadam wrote building technique, Thomas Edison's incandescent lamp, Graham Bell's telephone which you use today, and Marconi's telegraph were some of the invention in this field. Next, naval supremacy. Powerful navy. So many major invention led to create industrial revolution. Next, naval supremacy. Backed by a powerful navy, the strongest in the world, England had acquired a large colonies. These colonies, they use the supply of raw material for their finished products. So, supreme naval supremacy is one of the reason for the industrial revolution in England. So, why industrial revolution? Why industrial revolution happened in England? 1 number, surplus capital. Number 2, stable government. Number 3, cheap labor. Number 4, agricultural revolution. Number 5, agricultural revolution. Number 5, major invention. Number 6, naval supremacy. Number 7, availability of coal and iron. So, all factors are available in England. All factors were, not are, all factors were available in England. So, industrial revolution was happened in England. Next, spread the industrial revolution. Where industrial revolution spread? Spread of industrial revolution. Industrial revolution led to the growth of many towns and cities, you know. It began in England, it began in England in a single event, but a continuing process which through different phases and spread different countries in England. After that, England. Mechanized industries, machine-based industry, that means machine-based industries, were introduced in France, Germany, Japan, USA. Germany made rapid progress. Germany made rapid progress, leading unification and became one of the leading industrial nations in Europe. Britain, they were also gradually lost its lead by the end of the 19th century. USA also surged ahead of Britain, and so many major progress in the iron and steel industry. It soon became one of the leading United Nation of the industrial nation of the world. That means industrialization in Russia was very slow, but picked up after Russian Revolution. Japan was the first Asian country to become industrialized. So many countries, after that England, industrial revolution spread. You learn the country's name, how and where industrial revolution spread. Today, up to this, why industrial revolution was happened in England, where industrial revolution spread of industrial revolution. Name the place where industrial revolution spread.